Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do, that's a future video look. Today we'll be showing you how to use wheel chocks. Crazy woman. Okay, today we're going to use wheel chocks. So we've got 2 of them. So if you're positioned on a downhill like we are now, you want to chuck the front wheels. I'm just going to show you on this. So pretend this is the front wheel. So you want to get one, put it right in the middle, put it underneath in the middle as tight as you can, and there you go. Simple as that. That's if it's on a downhill. That's your front wheel. Yeah, pretend that's your front wheel. Okay, now if you're parked this way uphill, and pretend this is your, so this will be your back tire. Pretend that's your back tire. You want it on the back as well, pointing this way now, uphill like this. So that will be your back tire with it on the back. And if you're on a flat surface, you want one on the front and one on the back, like that, to chuck it. That's just to make sure it doesn't roll about. So that's how easy it is. So yeah, that's how you chuck your wheels. I wish I could do a better example, but it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.